Well, how's it going, everybody? As you know, from my last video, I've been busy working on my garage, trying to get some more room out of it where I can use both of my bays here at the garage of the house. Been working on it all week, and I'm just about done with it. I still got to do some organization. I still want to pressure wash the concrete and everything, and I'm thinking about going ahead and maybe do an epoxy on it. Don't know yet. See what's going on. And but it's been a long week, man. But I almost got it there. The only things left to do now is do some organization. Get my top of my parts cleaner cleaned off, my work table cleaned off. But other than that, man, I've got a garage again. So excuse me if I sound a little tired. It was hot here today, and I'm just calling it done for today. But I'm pretty happy with what's going on. So anyway, let's turn around. I can actually use and walk through my garage now. So in the previous video, you know, in this area right here, I have my big rack with all my Hemi parts and stuff in it. They got relocated to the new area. But I was able to line up the toolboxes and stuff on the back wall, all the way down, around the sides. But yeah, now I can really use my shop now since I'm basically working out of it now. And here's the new addition I've been working on. So now I was able to move all that stuff back over that way. I've got me a little area now to where I can work on motors and build them and kind of be out of the way. Got my Hemi parts half-ass reorganized. But yeah, I got a lot of Hemi parts here. I got enough to put about 3 or 4 motors together. So I got all that done. Moved my other table over here. I'm gonna put some stainless steel on top of that. For working on shit like carburetors and heads and stuff. I was able to move everything over here in the corner like I wanted to. The jack stands, jack, engine hoist. I got my welder over here. I'm going to build a table for my grinder, or actually get it mounted further up. But yeah, a little bit of concrete patchwork going on. So now, I got plenty of room now, because before I was just limited to this area here, working on the stuff. Of course, all this was filled up with everything else. But yeah, I'm happy. It's taken me basically all week to do it. And but there you go. So now I can put a long-term project on one side. I can go in and out projects on the other. I'm still thinking about adding on to the front, putting a carport in the front about the same size as the garage, about another 10-15 foot out. We'll see how that goes. I'm thinking about it. Now, as far as my sketching cords I got going on for now, I've been planning on for a while to wire this place up, but I've been so busy with all these other projects. Plus my house in Alabama, which I'm still not done with that yet. But I went today to pick up some supplies. I had to get a header to put up so I can take the one bar out into the new area. And while I was there, I decided to check prices on wire. And man, copper is through the roof right now. Something I could have paid $60 for a couple years ago is almost $200 and something now for a roll of Romex. And that ain't happening right now. So right now I'm just going to continue doing what I'm doing with my basic setup for now. When prices get down lower on the copper, then I'll start worrying about wiring this thing up. But now I can do my projects. And if anybody's on my Monday Night Live or anything, I talked with the guy in Arkansas on the 63 Studebaker Lark We came to an agreement on price. So here in about a month or so, I'm gonna head that way and go pick it up. He said no big hurry. And I'm looking forward to picking that up. And getting excited. That's gonna be built here. We're gonna do at the house. And I'll get you more updated on what I'm gonna be doing with it. And what the car is gonna be used for. I was going to be going to a car show this Saturday at the Nashville Super Speedway, but my plans have changed. I got a phone call today from my brother-in-law, and my brother's been dealing with cancer for a while. And I went a while back to go see him, and now it's gotten worse. So I'm leaving tomorrow to head to Oklahoma to go spend time with him. And so there might not be a video out for a couple days. And I'm going to go spend some time with him. He's been having a long battle with this thing, and it's starting to come down towards the end now, which really sucks. But, you know, there's a plan for everybody. God's got a plan for him. But other than that, guys, I'm here, done. Garage is almost done. Like I said, except for just picking stuff up, organize it, and finish cleaning. But at least I've got a shop again to really work out of. And hell, I'm looking forward to doing some deals here too. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna get off here. I'm tired, I'm wore out. Appreciate everybody that was on the Monday Night Live. And remember, I got merch out now, t-shirts, stickers, as you can see here. You can go to moparal, one word, lowercase, .com. And that website is just set up strictly to do my merch and for contact info. So if you want to head over there, that'd be great. I appreciate it. But other than that, guys, I'm going to call it a day, and I'll see you down the road.